Now you go drag them. You never say anything. I don't complain. Say update to update. Now I never do you anything. No. Now those children now they complain you to their family members. So make you know, and you go.
Hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends of where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don carry another matter come again. This one na the latest update, that is Sarah senior sister. My people, make una come lis ten to how e take disguagua that lady wey dem dey call mama na mama for this very video, because some people for this social media dem too dey do pass theirself. You help those children, you beg this boy say please no call my name for social media. I no want make Enogie know say I donate give those children, which the guy say okay, he no go call your name, but at the end of the day na you go expose yourself. You see some people they go pretend say they too good, but at the end of the day you come find that say devil better pass them. Na so some people be for inside this life wey we dey, especially for inside this social media. My people, make una lis ten to how the latest update take disguagua this mama na mama. If you know say you no go do rest, if you know say you go do not say I wan give them, abeg no call my name, but at the end of the day you go outside go expose yourself. My people, make I leave una.
Then number 2 message when she write, when I say here the second one, she said I give them 50k through their uncle. Now mama when they Canada now they drop all those comments for Enogie platform. Wetin make this woman go they drop this comment for Enogie platform? Because Enogie say in they swear for people when donate for those children. But people when donate for marriage, you not swear for them. People when donate for mama, when they pursue mama, you not swear for them. And people when they donate for them for purpose and everything, you no swear for them. Now, this woman will be mama na mama. Since you say you want to show yourself, I go disgrace you, I go fool you, mama na mama. Anybody will know this dirty woman we say na she be mama na mama, make una drag and come here. He get why. Now your help now go kill you, kill your pikin. The help when you do for those children, now it go kill you, it go kill your pikin, go buy your pikin. That only pikin when you get. It get why, and I go explain why. You know say a lot of una go from so na good, but una not good. Now una bad pass. When this matter happen, I not call you, make you come donate for them. Now you call me, say make I send the account. I send your account give you. You put 50,000 naira, and you tell me not to measure your name. You say make I not measure your name. Say you donate 50,000, give those children. You not need problem because of a we and a wife. That's what you said. You say make I no measure your name. Say you donate 50,000, give those children. And really, you send the money for your account and you send me the receipt. I never post the receipt and not measure your name. You see the reason why I go beat you this evening, I go insult you. Why? Because a lot of una esu eseno baluhe now na they do. Now you say make I not measure your name. Say you donate for those children, but now you go the right for every platform. Say you donate for them through their uncle. Now you go the right for every platform. Say you donate for them because you pity them. And now you talk say make I not measure your name. Also the same you, mama na mama, we not know herself. Now you tell me say you won't give those children 3-bedroom flat for Edo State. And I tell you, say I don't want make those children go Edo State. You say no, make them go. Make them stay there for free. If they stay for 1 year, they go begin pay you. I'll fool you. Since you don't fool yourself. Yeah, I will fool you. Because a lot of una, after I don't disgrace you, insult your generation, you go send that account number, your account number, give your, make it transfer your 50,000 naira back to you. If not, igbesu ogbijue or ogbowiwe. All those essay one that they do when not they reach una mind. Now igbesu go kill your children. Why? Because now you tell me, make I not measure your name. Now you got the right for every platform. Say you donate for them. Say you dey pity them. Now you call me, say you want give the 3-bedroom flat for Edo State. I tell you, say no, I don't want me to go Edo State. You say they must go, but make I not tell anybody. I disagree with you. Say they not they go. They okay for Udo there. You say you go give them the house, but make I not measure your name for social media. Now you got to measure your name by yourself for every platform. What rubbish? What rubbish is that? See the comment where you go to write for every platform. Now you say make I not measure your name, say you donate. Now you go see go there. Say you donate through me, like say na my account you put the money. A donation you because you not do it from your heart. Now trouble you can't take fine. Now you tell me, man, not measure your name. A lot of people don't send money give those children. They say make I not measure their name. I never measure their name. I only tell those children pray for who give una money. I don't know their name. But you also said I should not measure your name. And I did not measure your name one day for more than 2 weeks. How dare you now? Go away platform. Go the right say you donate for them. You donate 50,000. Ogun bijou bera. Ese wo go wiwe. Wa afian wu. Okonoma negbe. You a day UK Canada we not dey okay. You say you be big woman and 50,000. Now you send give all those children. It's equivalent of 15-20 euro. You not even rich. You not even reach 15 pounds. Money when you send give all those children. You not reach 15 pounds. But now you say, man, not measure your name. Now you go the right time for every platform. Say you donate. I say, what go we were. Or me manu say now the all go we were yet go. Who you do help for? Now I go buy your picking. For that reason. I know they talk before, I they think before I talk. And I they see evidence before I do. I know they carry do. They see your comment for every platform. Now somebody screenshot your comment. Come give me. What do you do for every platform today? And a lot of records there, I will play them one by one. Ema ya nuwe sena. Oh, hizi agbo yegbo. Ese wo agbo mama na mama. Mama na mama no hoa. I didn't call you to come and donate for these children. You are the one who called me. That you want to give them something, I should send the account to you. And I send those children account to you, not my account. Not my own account. I send those children accounts to you. And you put 50,000 naira. And you send the receipt to me. And I ask those children, do you see this money? I send them the receipt. They say yes. I say, Mona, pray for who send them. He say, make I not measure a name for social media. That's what I tell those children. And really, I've never measured your name. Say, mama and mama can donate 50,000 for those children. I've never measured your name. But you go to every platform now to show yourself. Oh, I know where say no easy agbo yegbo. To azaga the dagbo weya. Ese no ogbo yiwe. Emmanuel say no ogbo yiwe. Sure you be two-faced, Abi? You be two-faced. Now you beg me, say you won't give all those children flat. After 1 year, they'll pay you. I say no. I disagree. And you want me to agree. I say no. I not to put my hand for all those kind of things. Now waiting my power reach. Now they do. I told you. You say no, now Bindi go good pass. And you want to show yourself, say you get money. You want to show yourself. I say no. Leave them for all those states there. So that their family member, I go to reach there. They don't know anybody for Benin. If anything happen for them for Benin, a problem me myself there. Leave them there where they are. If you have any help to do for them, do for them. Then you ask for account, I give it to you. Then you put 50,000 naira. And you draw my ear. You draw my ear because of 50,000 naira. You draw my ear. Say make I not measure your name because of ewi, because you fear ewi, you want fuck ewi, you want shop ewi, procos, prick. You want come and rate me for 6 chance fuck ewi, ogun ogbiju. I don't give a damn. If you respect yourself, I respect you. I respect people who respect themselves. I respect people doesn't mean that I fear people. You told me not to mention your name. I respect you and I respect myself. I did not mention your name one day for more than 2 weeks. Let me look for this thing when you take shout with me. Let me look for it. Say now you be mama na mama. Mama na mama na 50,000 you drop. You go to fool yourself. And I say me I not announce you. Now you don't go to announce yourself. Wow, mama na mama no zua. Idiots who ask you to donate 50,000. Do I call you on phone to come and donate for them? You are the one who called me. And you tell me that this money you give to them is from your heart. I should not tell anybody. I did not tell anybody, including the children when you give the money. I only tell them to pray for the giver. I tell them pray for the giver. I don't know. Forget about the giver, but pray, say, person will bring this money, may God bless and bless your family. That's what I tell those children. I could not expose the feeling, the secret to anybody. I keep it because you tell me to keep it. You tell me to hold it. You tell me not to tell anybody on social media or anywhere, but I keep it. Also with other people. A lot of people don't send money, they'll send receipt, give me. They'll send me record or call me. Say, Mr. Update, I beg. I don't want to make you mention my name. I just want to help the children. But I don't want you to mention my name. And really, I'm not going to go too low to go mention their name. When they don't already tell me, say, please don't mention my name. If Enogie call me, say she want 200,000. That's what she tell me also. Say she did vacation, she will put 100K. But make her not talking for media. And really, until the day when we say Baba when they smile, they do video. She come across the video. Through then, and she can't send the money, send the receipt. A lot of people don't send money. They'll say, not mention my name. And I will never come to mention their name because it's what they said. They just want to help the children. But they don't want their name to be revealed. And I will keep that secret also. How dare you now go to tell a winner, say you donate to go on you were. Wow, so mama na mama. Wow, I might find your mumu did the same way sent for me. Wow, bell. Nonsense woman. You see in our life, you a day Canada, you know the shame. Now lemon matter, now you take the grow your page. You say the Canada. See the 50,000 what she sent. It be so you. See the receipt what she sent. On the 23rd of July, level 43. Now she take send and come. Mona say, maybe you what say? Mona say. Mama na mama say. Mama na mama. Una de say. I also na de say. And now boy. Na de say so. Mama na mama na 50,000 naira. Now she sent. See the money here. 50K. Now she sent. Una de say. 50K. Now she sent. She tell me not to tell anybody. Now I know by this may not say maybe now that person not by go bring. Mama na mama. They say now name be this. This happened July 23. Say look the up. When I say the date, everything they there. Now they say so. Now they say so. Now the picture, now they see the date, everything they there. Now they say when she say make I send the account, see the account when I sent for her. Now they see the account. Show na send. Then Mona see the right thing when she write for me. Thank God. Mona see what she write for me. Mona see what she write. Make I say without you pay some. Mona see what she write come for me. Not be me fair writer and not get a number. Mona see what she write for me. I wake up, come meet this message. Because Canada time and our time not be the same. As I wake up early in the morning, around that kind 7 o'clock, I'll be 6 something in the morning. Now I come across this message. She don't already drop on. When I see her, the first day when she start to communicate, now she write me message. Now they see her. Now she write all those things for me. Then let me read what she writes. Let me read what she wrote here. Make the whole world here. In case I swear for a Peking. they'll know why I dey swear for her. A lot of people donate money we pass your own. People donate 300,000 for those children. Say man, I not mention their name. I never mention. Not talk about you will donate 50,000. After I don't drill you, you go bring account. They'll transfer your 50,000, give you. Okay, so let me read the message for you guys. Okay, my screenshot and my paste time for that. Thank you guys. My screenshot and my send and enter that phone. Confirm. God bless you. You will write that comment. Yeah, God bless you. So make I just drop one for them. Make the whole world is here. Wow, bell. That's no balu. He won't they do. Now you can't write me say you won't help the children. You won't give form. Now go they talk rubbish. I don't know her. Now she contacts me. My paste waiting you right here. Next time I go for you go stop him. If you the fear Ewi na my boy. If you the fear Ewi is my boy. Oh yeah, guys, make una read down. This one na mama. This one na mama. I'm gonna see the date, the time, and everything. Oh yeah, regardez là-bas. Make una read down. I'm gonna tell me what una see. Oh mama no hoa. Mona see what this idiot woman right can't give me. Now you say make I keep the secret. Now you go the tell Ewi say na so this, na so that. Mona read what the idiot woman right before I come out. I say no balu no wauni. I'll cure you. And I be that kind of person. Not be me you doing for now the children. Me myself I spend more than 480,000 for those children. Now 50,000 you spend now in the mezebu. Wow. Share the video, guys. Wa sure of a sakbo. My brother, good morning. It's me, Mama TV. I saw the video you did today about Vera kiss. I beg. I want to ask where the kiss they now. Benin. If na Benin, I want if na Benin, I won't give them better accommodation, one room and parlor self-contained. Make them they stay for 1 year. After then, their mama feed they pay. When they listen, their mama feed they pay. The comment they block on. Their mama feed they pay me. Na first compound. Everything they with Aboki self. Get back to me. I want them to stay in more whether conducive place. Yeah, conducive place. And I don't want you to mention my name on media. It will just be between us. I know who need Wahala. Now Wahala go buy you now. Now Wahala now go buy you. Now Wahala now go buy you now. Cause you better respect yourself. You hear me so? Say you respect yourself. You respect yourself. If now I will include you and your own picking join this rubbish. If you not respect yourself, I will include you. Because don't talk for what you don't know how it start. You hear me so? You respect yourself. This July 23, 2024. I also don't see him. Confirm. Another one there. They can't make I see paste that one. I first come out this one. Now come out this one first. So the normal negbe. Agbeo. Have seen no balu in wow. Esse no balu in wow. Now the form say on a good pass and on not good. Why ma? Now the form say on a good pass. Why they come my position those things back? Hey, with my man, the family member. Now you say make I keep secret. Say you want help the children. You know what me anybody know. Now you go they tell Ewi say you donate for the children. Okay, what is the extent? Why you can't go they tell the Ewi say you donate for the children? They ask you, Nese wek bue variana afiari ave he. Omanu we say na hiziga gbo eyegbo. Oh, mama no zuwa winyo mama na mama no suhu ese wo gbo e. Yeah. Ese wo gbo e. Now your good go buy you. Now your bad go buy you. Now your good go buy you. Now the science, now the see what they happen. Now you talk, say me they keep the issue secretly. But now you feel wrong. Go right on for a weak platform. Because eke we hon we no awu. Eke we boy. Eke we hon we no awu. Eke we no bolo. Not be a whip prick that the sent come for me this morning. Not be a violele sent come give me. Now you say make I hide your identity. Now you still go there and ask yourself, say now so you send money go give the children. Who you want to impress? What do you do for the children secretly? You say me they keep on secretly. Now you go there review the secret for another platform. Mamere to who I say walk boy. I know say now he's boy, but for that reason, for that nonsense you did, make I go through my WhatsApp again. This say people not go see you right there. I'll come play the record now. I'll come play everything. I'll come and play it. They're not saying you may come donate. Now you call. Say you want to donate 50,000. Give them. Say you want to give the house. I disagree. Say they not go Benin. They not fit go Benin. They not know anybody there. You say okay, no wahala. If not that one, you will give them 50,000. Make they relax. Okay. Someone just told me. Now that Vera says she has rented a house for them in Lagos, so I think they should go to that one and mother rented. Go to the one their mother rented. Sorry for the inconveniences, my brother. After some days, I'll be waiting that one. I beg you, boy. I've seen wow, for my baby. You see, after this one we sent consent. After that one when I put your son, see the one we consent come. You see, Listen so. Listen so. Later now some people say why you can't they insult person we donate. Now what been any donate. Then mama no we donated 50,000. After I don't drill you now, madam beg, send your account. Make your return your 50,000 naira back to you. Because they're not fair call you for the donation. Now you say you want to donate for them secretly. Now you say you want to donate for them secretly. When you donate, you send the receipt for me. And you tell me not to review the secret. So now you want to go to tell we want to show yourself for a web platform, say you don't donate. You want to go to raise, you want to go to buga. You want to go to carry shoulder up for them and say I go no donate. Your mates donate more than 400,000 one person for those children. They don't know the children before, not be them born now. And they tell me say I cannot make sure their name. And really I not make sure their name. I not make sure her name. Now woman like you. I never make sure her name one day. I never make sure her name. The receipt where she did do the money all of the day, 200,000, 100,000, 100,000, 50,000, 50,000. Now say to the do and give the children. I never make sure her name once. He said your late thing when I go do, let me tell the children to you say now God go bless the giver. That's the only thing she want me to say. And I never, but they don't cash me reach out because say, now so the giver name, now so name, or one woman I can give them money. I never do so. Because a lot of people, they like their own things secretly. Just as you said, they don't need problem or many eyes for body. Just like what you said before, mama, you say you don't need anything problem. Now I keep the secret for you. Now you want to go fool yourself. I beg you, bring your account. If you not bring your account, I'll begin to insult you anytime when I do video. Your 50,000 naira said not even get what you want to do for their life. Yeah, your 50,000 naira not get what you want to do for their life. When you want because of that 50,000 naira, they mock them now for a platform. When you know say now a they insult people, say me they not they donate for them again. Then you go they mock them for a platform. Say you don't give them 50,000. 50,000 or two. When 50,000 or two boy, mama no hoa. Who not zua idiots. 50K now she just talk they go. Oh come go they tell a we say na so you donate 50,000 go they write for there. Work say it be a giadan oh no man need wa benewe boy me wa me. I benewe boy say me mama na mama. I did Canada for 20 something years. Now lemon content now you take the chop. Lemon content I say you did Canada. Lemon where they Nigeria. Now content you take the chop. The lemon drop video, you don't rush am. If a do pikin sister drop video, you don't rush am. I say you did Canada. You did Canada, you not there Canada. You not know Canada. Wow. You don't even know your Canada. I say you did Canada. You see your life. You forget say you don't send all those one for me. Man, not announce you. But you go to every platform to fool yourself. You want go raise yourself. Say man, I know insult her. Don't tell me that rubbish. Don't control me. You hear me? If you can't listen to the insult, get a fuck out. You hear me? If you cannot listen to it, get a fuck out. Because she will go they talk all those stuff for every platform. She know say every they saga those children. She know say every not like those children. She know say every they insult people, say me they not donate for them. Then why she go every platform, go they write that kind of thing. Even if she want to say she donate for them, why she not talking for her own platform when she go they write her for every platform? So you respect yourself. Don't tell me what to do. Don't control me. I'm not your boy. I'm not your husband. So don't control me. Man, not turn out to your own. They hear me so? They're not they control me. Don't tell me what to do. If now a platform she for break down out, I not go quarter. I no say now she go come out by herself. Go they announce herself by herself for a platform. It not go concern me. But why will she take that issue to every platform again? That means she send those 50,000 to set those children up. They settle me way up. That settle me way up. With 50 kobo or 50 cents. 50 cents, you settle me way up. Wow. You do good for person. For children. You say make I not tell the word. But now you go the enemy of all those children. Person when they fight against those children. Now you still go there, go they tell the person say you donate for them. Which kind of essay be that? You won't give dog food. You see, use the other hand, whole wood. We want to break the dog head as you want to chop the food. Nerek bue yese. Or no say na bue yese by no rubbish people. Your mates don't donate more than 400,000-500,000. They never hear their voice. They not hear their voice. They tell me, say, I beg, don't mention my name. If it sweets those children too much, tell them to pray for the giver. That's what the woman told me. I was surprised. I said, no, make them see make sure your name pray for. He said, no, that does not matter. Tell them to pray for the giver. It's okay. When they pray for the giver, she go collect her own prayer and won't share for the prayer. Because she knows that she gives to them. You know me say she need to show herself before the whole world don't know say she gives to them. Make her begin, okay, make her just sample the receipt tomorrow. May you see money when one woman send, give all those children. Now, woman like you, the first day she sent 200,000. That same day she sent 100,000, make it 300,000. Only one day, the first day when this matter starts. The first day when I bring the issue out, she sent 200,000 and she sent 100,000. Make it 300K. And since then, she don't even spend more than 200K again. 100,000, 50,000, 50,000. She don't spend more than 500K for those children. But she have never allowed me. Anytime she message me, they beg me, please don't mention my name. Now what should they beg me? And I not blackmail her. Can't go to mention and they say, now this woman, now this man. I've never done such. Because there are some people, they just want to give from their heart willingly. But there are some people, they want to give so that they will get opportunity to beat that person. They'll say they don't forgive them. Or to insult that person, or to come molest that person. Say because they don't give them. That's the kind of woman you are, mama and mama. Women like you don't do more than what you do so. But they never came out to say it. I dey wait for you, may you come out. If you come across this video, then I'll blast the hell out of you. I dey wait for you. If you come across this video, make you come out, come talk. I'll blast the hell out of you. They hear me so? Me update now, they tell you, mama na mama, no zua. Now you be this, mama na mama. If I see you come out on this issue, I will brush the hell out of your life. Go and mark it up. I will say I'll do you. Because I not call you, me come donate for them. Now you call me, say you want to donate for them. Say as you they give them the money, make I not make sure your name. Now you call me, now you write me message. Say you won't give them house. I say no, I not go agree, make they go Edo State. Why? Because they don't understand Edo State. Now all Edo State they understand. You try confuse me, say me they go, but I say no. Because if anything happened to them there, the family will ask, say why I take them to Edo State before you agree with me. Because okay, you won't send them something. I would say as you be mama and mama, you go give them like 100k or 200k. You drop 50,000 naira now. Your mind not touch now. You begin to mad up and down for all platform. For you to write down for a good platform, that you don't write down both iyore platform and all. You don't write down follow all. Say you don't give all those children 50,000. The 50,000 buy you there. And if you not bring your account, maybe they return that 50,000. Wow, soon they say, "Whoa, boy." They say, "My come on, your picking my pity run." Because a lot of fun don't misbehave. That if you give blast your family, they'll say person they too vex too much. Now consider you come on your picking. If you born where here now wabera wabijua rubbish. What to make people drag your picking joiner for you to break the contract when you get, that's breach of contract. That's blackmail. You blackmail me, now make me even swear for your picking in case you come across the video. Now make me swear for your picking joiner. Why? Because you blackmail me. You told me not to tell anyone that you donate 50,000 to them. But now you blackmail me to go to those children enemies platform to tell their enemy, say you donate them 50,000 naira. That's why I insult your children, your picking. In case you come across this video. Next time you go learn. Since you say you're zero, then you go get sense by force. And when I see you come out of this issue, I will blast the hell out of you. Now me, be me. I shall brush the hell out of you. And you will regret what makes you contact me about those children. A lot of people don't do better thing for those children. They never make noise. Not be you. We drop 50,000. We not reach 15 pounds or 10 pounds. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You're giving person 15 pounds or 10 pounds. Does it mean that you go and announce that person on media that you gave them 15 pounds or 10 pounds? Are you mad or something? Okay, if you see beggar for road now, you give them 15 pounds. You go to use and do live video. They go say now, so you don't give person, you don't bless person. Wow, so mama na mama no. Ah, you can't be mama na mama. You dey get mama na mama. You want to show yourself, maybe they say you get or you too good. Mama na mama na pikin when you give money, you don't go they insult them for platform, say you give them money. How you take be mama na mama? Wow, so you not be any mama na mama. Zua. Mama na mama ne way. Say na mama na mama. If you bury mama na mama, so give all those children 50,000 naira till you die. You're not supposed to tell another person till you die. You're not supposed to tell the second partner the way you tell me not to tell any other person. That's so supposed to be for you. No suhu. No, we were so sending yourself for your sake, for this mistake what you made. May your pikin suffer themselves. They can suffer when they suffer small. Now you're 6 years. Me for feel the pain. Only 6-7 years. May your pikin suffer when they suffer for 6 years, so that you feel the pain. Since you not know yourself, I will be here to blast the hell out of you. I call you, say mama na mama lareo, always said to donate. Do I call you here? Do I call you to donate 50,000 naira? When only 15 pounds. They announce them for every platform. Say you donated for them. You just pity them. You pity them and you donate for them. Why you call the announce them for live for social media? And you say you don't want me to come out for media. Now you don't bring them for media. Why I not go beat your picking? Wabira wabijua. Wabira wabijua. What up you went by for you to do that rubbish? Your pikin go suffer for 7 years. You suffer, I want those children suffer so that next time you get sex. God will put you for a condition, go make your pikin suffer that suffer for 7 years before you go get rescue. Then you go learn it the hard way. People help now, not only you help. Not only help. Why you go to fool yourself? Why will you go and be commenting on those children? So that every time because of you they insult those children. Make I play the record when every day insult them because of 50,000 naira you gave to them. Let me play the record, make you hear. You they happy? You go wrong, go there because they find a weak prick with up bleach. You won't come from Canada. I say no baluhe. Come marriage. You have to go by marriage in Uri. After you don't call the marriage now, they'll see beat you join now. You go some and say mama house. When fight happen that they beat your mama. Wa suhu was no mako. Osame say no insult you, insult your mama, your children. Osame say no insult your pikin, insult you. You will go some and say mama house. But when matter happen, they not insult you, they not saga you. And now come marriage again, and now come marriage again. Now say na curse me, I go na mama, wa mama na mama. Go the marriage. No ya weke no ge we. Ono iwe roa o. Yahu no nya wesoto. Ozo no makon. I'll beat you no get we. You and no get we. I'll beat you now. I'll beat the hell out of you now. No get we now your father, but no get we is my boy. No get we is your mentor, but no get we is my boy. No get we. You they regard, you they give a no get we respect, but a no get we is my boy, the lowest boy when I get 30 a year like that. 30 a year, pisi a year with the peace for us. Wow, so we they respect a we, but a we they respect me. For you to know, say I pass 12 now. A we they respect me, but you they respect a we. Ah, so mama no zuo. Mama no zuo. Mama no zuo. Mama we. E mama we. E mama kwa. E mama mila. E mama Canada no Hawaii Canada. Mama na mama. Na lemon content. Lemon with the Nigeria. Na content you take the chop and you take Canada. You say be mama na mama wa suhu. A dog girl, that girl, what did they call that girl? One of our Benin sister, not be a dog baby, you get one girl again. She did Lagos now. He and the junior sister, they call it do content one time, they fight themselves. Now, in content now, you they take chop for Canada. People with they Nigeria, you they use their content to they chop for Canada. And you got to give the children 50,000 inside the money when they chop. They you not let that rest. All those lemon when they use their content they chop, they don't come and ask you for social media before. They don't come disgrace you for social media. Say they use their content in the shop. Say you not the shame. You did Canada, but they use their content within Nigeria till they chop, they pay us rent. Have they come out on media to embarrass you? You are not doing what? You want to fool yourself, right? I will fool you. I will fool you. I will disgrace you. If you want to disgrace yourself. Edo baby and happiness. God bless you right there. Edo baby and happiness. Now content. Their content. Now you take the Canada. People are praying to go from Nigeria to Canada so they can live a better life. But you are in Canada. You are hustling from people in Nigeria. Wow, single woman that Canada. Mama no zoa in Canada. People they pray. Make them from Nigeria enter Canada, make their life better. But you don't enter Canada for more than 18 years. According to you, I've been 20 something years in Canada. But now children, content for Nigeria. We see they try to meet up. Why didn't I drop a video? As I did drop video, I don't run it out there. Marie Canada man, when my meta neto her. Caneto her, there. You go cut the video before you know that blogger, hey, the baby, he Cameroon boy won't beat the baby, Cameroon boy don't knock the baby. Now some Cameroon boy, wait till you do the baby, no good. He consign Cameroon boy and the baby. He consign Cameroon boy and the happiness. He consign Lemon and the wife. You in the Canada, your mates they work, they drag content of people within Nigeria. Chima disgrace boy there. Boy, Nike boy, na rap boy. Kene we ya boy. Was saying ya boy we do the run now. We call my family for saga. Now we do the run for saga. Do you who more? Then we are it na to la hina dia hela. Where the la ni boy we ni bijou ba e. Vera enter, Vera collect wotogoto, Vera run enter us. We enter, we don't collect, it don't run that battery, don't run low, it don't run low. Now you want to shoot your head, mama na Canada, mama no zua de Canada, do bahu yo ni boy di name. Bahu yo. Now me body worry, I'm me body on me ya be. Mona tag and call your mama no zua. Mama na mama will give children 50,000, but they announce them for social media, say give them 50,000. 50,000 is equivalent of 12 pounds of 15 pounds. Well, when you give them, but you go there and ask those children for their enemy, make the saga them. Turigonia, Womase, Mami Bulu, Mamoe. Wow.
But yeah, I want to bless you, we don't give you. I gave them 50K to the uncle. You know, when I was meaning. Better.
Yeah? Enogie we see the comment. He say I give them 50K to their uncle. Now we say the money don't enter voice me. Share the year. When are they listening?
Una where they donate so we'll go up there they come saga on tomorrow. You know what in there? Wama no wagari una.
Share the same so. Why? Because Enogie we know say what if this woman do so it go cause problem. Now make a talk say I go call saga and really I go saga you mama na mama and now only you I go see saga for this matter. Unless people like you who don't do help for corner say me they not review land, they can't go review land by themselves. I'll see saga the person join them. In the episode, now you say me cannot review land and I keep on to myself. Now you go there and ask the children for their enemy platform. I wish you talk out for your own live video or your own video and not go talk for this matter. I wish now another person video you go comment that comment and not go quarrel put. But waiting make you go comment that comment for a we platform and if we say me they not help those children. If we they swear say me people not help them. And you go they comment for a platform say you don't already help them 50K. Now if we say the money don't enter voicemail. Share the yes so that's why I go beat you well. Next time you go learn.
That's the simple truth. I tell you now.
I want to play the record for Ramona the year.
The social media. Ekia TV born for 3 men. Oh. Is it let love reading it? So let Ekia TV is a bohuna. Is a be. It can't be cobet. Ya make cobet in the bag. No, ya viene. Ekia Law TV is a moe. Women me. Women me. Where are where you can't almost say. Is a way. You see, don't worry.
When I just listen, no, while down in hall, I want to play the record for Ramona the year.
Ekia TV born for 3 men. No, is it let love reading it? So let Ekia TV bring them down. If you teach her the lie and they bring video of 2019 when Sirikia they give a good better money, make a good better bring this children to social media. Ekia TV born for 3 men. No, is it let love reading it? So let Ekia TV ya is a bohuna. Ya is a be. It can't be cobet. Ya make cobet in the bag. No, ya viene. Ekia Law TV is a moe. Women me. Women me. Where you can't almost say. Is a way. You see, don't worry. That's why. Sarah, they saw people children then. You know, see him. Wait till I do Sarah. Sarah no fit talk with you. I say, even more about Sarah. He have a new way. He may ask you about not be the one they go to about they can't tell you to me they pour water for the juju. No. Who go and wait for your juju.
Enogie, you know when or how your juju go take work. If you be say this matter where you involve yourself, put say it concern you, your juju go work. If you be say those children wrote to me and the iyore and the brothers, it concern you, concern them. When you and your wife had the saga them, it go better for you. You dey hear me so? If it be say hello.
Good afternoon, the rest of the two. What you speak? I'm no mama. Oh, my favorite video where go saga. What can I do? A comment in iyore Enogie. We beg a man of you where. If we are pity for those children, that's why I will give them 50,000. We beg a man of you when I want we address saga with him. My brother, I don't need problem for my life. When you are when I borrow where you are the problem. My own way going to elect. My time up there, that time up there, my own way going. I gave those children that money because I be mother. You might go and ever way to insult you or to insult those children. Only say, if I know not donate in here, donate. Or mommy never rock back. Or you make the comment anywhere. You might even attire a cocoa, even attire me no give a cocoa or can't buy a zag way. If you want to dash them money. I also give them money.
That's not what
just to encourage people to give those children money. You might go and ever way to go and to insult you. I never to write your name for that. I say I gave them money to their uncle. Why you call the draw saga with you not draw saga with you? You know understand the point in here. Everyone was giving show me down now.
Madam,
why you ask you about Enogie? Hey, comment in the neck there. My screenshot here, and they do my bag. They can not be out of here where you are. Hey, comment but even neck comment in here. If I call it, they also want to donate. Donate for them because they are not concerned anymore. No. If we are going around, we are pity for those children. I donated 50 to the uncle. Other people say, yes, it's good, mama. Here now we have a donate. So what do I do? What do we declare when I commit to write down for them? Say, the government Rigoni, or mommy never rock. I do a matter the comment. What's one saga because you are commenting iyore Enogie. Don't do things like that now.
Okay.
I will ready on now.
Okay, you hold on now. Hold on, mama. Since you say I just continue the saga, you are not know what will happen. You hold on. You don't talk your own. When you donate this money for those children, when you send me receipt, you say make I not tell anybody. Say you donate, right?
Yes.
Okay, why you go to write away?
When I donate. Oh, yeah, go if anyone want to donate. Just to encourage. Okay, when they know they got that way, you don't have voice me. When they make comment already, they beg anywhere.
Madam,
so which one come say you want to go me because say I give your sister children money. You want to know by say because I come.
But when I go say number who say of a bomb and always say abu when my woman always say
always say because it's not very bad. We beg him to where in the war.
Well, hold on.
We may not where you could chop the money. You cannot be drawing saga.
Madam, wait, you don't talk.
Who want to educate their citizens should I also gave them 50,000. It's an honest comment. So you want to draw saga with me. So me or my can say, but if you want saga me, you are very free. But it doesn't even make no sense.
Madam, hold on.
You know, my once I got me, so I say comment. Yeah, we wait to know the year.
Madam, hold on. Now you're in the talk. You hold on. Hold on, madam. You don't talk. You wait, make I talk. More talk and small. You don't talk. I wait, make you talk, right? You talk, Abi. So, mama, hold on. You see this message when you write. May I show you first in case you never see and make I read down for you, or maybe you don't know. You say, okay, Mudaneo, wait till when you send the money, give those children, you say you don't want to make anybody know. Say you donate for them. So, okay, no problem. I don't tell anybody. Okay, what makes you go to Enogie platform? And you know that Enogie is against those children. What makes you go there to take that?
Okay,
why did you say it on your own platform? Wait, why did you say it on your own platform?
That's why you might be the reason differently. Where we may have going on Enogie, where donating, and they not get there against people to donate. Don't you know that even that my singular comment of I donated can motivate other people to donate?
Okay, but
because
you know that
reason
Ewi is against them.
Okay,
when you write the comment,
that is what you reason. But since that time, I but now we try calling me on my account number.
Okay, but nobody has donated. Nobody don't donate now when you give account number.
May not bring here, you see why not boy.
Okay, when you write down, mama, wait till Enogie to reply you. Wait till Ewi to reply you. When see your comments.
I can't say I write a final command. The man didn't get back.
Okay, you don't know what Enogie talk.
That's why. Do you see second? Do you see that I wrote second comment? After I wrote
after your comment, but you didn't hear what Ewi was saying. After that comment, he saw you right. When you see your comment, you don't hear what Ewi begin talk. You don't hear what he talk again.
Okay, okay, the video why the man no get anything about it. And then when you call the where they want to donate now, we didn't donate. You pull over, you send your account number. Yes, I may surprise about when I call the see where we are over the social media. I will drag this. Why you go drag that with me? Because you reason it to negative way. May not bring me, may not go away to spy those children. I also say I pity those children. I will give them money to motivate people to give them money. So what is the saga? They don't even understand. We the one on one, ignore a platform. We the one on one. Every live video now you saga where marry one on me. I'm not there anymore. You are supposed to come here.
Moeti, mama, they give you time, make they talk. You see, they give me time, make I they talk. When you give those children money, since then, they do video. You don't ever come out for your own video, say you donate for those children.
The first thing where you give it, Anna.
Yes or no, madam? Yes or no? You don't ever talk about
I don't talk for that video because I don't want to. I tell you, say, money don't ask me.
Okay, wait.
It's to also motivate other people to say, if you want to give them, mommy.
Okay, where you for go right time, and then they do donation. When you go right time, when they talk about donation for these children, be they insult them. When you go right time, yes or no? Now insult.
Every man insulting, check all I don't get my insulting there.
Okay, what was he saying that you write that comment? What was he saying that you write the
brother, and the only water now. At your whole stage of your live video, but I just want to say, Saga, we want to before me or my making sense of the way. But if you feel well, you are where they are happy to Saga, you can continue. Only water. Take care, bye.
Okay. Now you don't talk now, you don't cut your call. It don't show for the whole world. Now say see the kind of person when you be. You know, understand the whole world they watch me and you now. Yeah, because they talk since there are some points when I won't give you. You know what make I talk. Why? Because you know say you don't fail more than fail.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, what do you not think about this very video? Make una no fail to drop una opinion. Tell us what you think about this very video. My amazing people, if today na your first time when they come across our channel and you never subscribe, do us a favor by subscribing.